Hello friends, this is Rasraj and you are watching Rasraj Arts and Calligraphy. Today we will learn how to make a landscape and easy steps to make a landscape. It is very easy. If you are a beginner, you can start it. For this we need a blank sheet. This is drawing copy. This is rounder and a pencil to make a circle, and I have taken 10B pencil. You see, this is 10B pencil, and another I have taken 8B. You can see here, this is 8B. This is 8B and this is 10B pencil. Okay, so let us start. I have to make a circle first. I am making one circle here. This is the circle. Inside this I have to make that landscape. I am making another circle. This is the circle I made. Outline it will be. Now the part of rounder is over. Now this is the center point. Now I am going to make a line in the middle. I am using a scale to put a line here. This is a new scale I am opening now, plastic scale. The middle point I kept here my scale and putting a straight line. You can see here, straight line. Okay, now I'll start here. First, this is the middle line. I'll make some plants. From far view one can recognize this is a plant, and let me close up this view. So I'm making here some plants. From far view it will look like trees are there. Very simple, very simple. If you are a beginner, definitely you can do this. So let us do. While doing, concentrate that you are doing some work. Trees. Now plants, it is made. I'm going for another line, making the base little thick, using the scale to make the line straight. And trees are there. I'm giving effect, the shadow effect. For shadow effect we need to give its in opposite part. Before that, let me go for a moon. I'm using the rounder here again to give a round shape. dark tone, filling inside solid dark. You can see here the darkness of the pencil. 8B, 10B pencils, they leave that impact. This is moon. Both side little effect for cloud. You can see nothing extraordinary work is there. Keep in mind and go on. What I was talking about, the shadow part. Suppose this is one plant, its shadow, bottom side, and like this entire row I'll give its shadow effect. Very easy, dark to light tone. If top dark, then come to the bottom by giving light strokes. From far view it will give its shadow effect. Very easy. Friends, time to time I do come with some new works. If you are new on my channel, do not forget to subscribe this. Keep watching my videos. Stay tuned, give your valuable suggestions so that I could come with some new videos. See here, this is moon, its effect here. Suppose this is water, and in water there will be a shadow of the moon. Dark to light tone. This is giving long lines, water effect. Okay, some land part. Filling all the areas, giving dark tone. This is land part I am showing here. If you want to go for artwork, have trust, believe in yourself that you are an artist, and confidently go on. Believe in yourself. It's shadow effect I'm giving here. Okay, now one coconut tree. Top to bottom, top side little thin, bottom part little thick, and its branches now. And leaves effect, simple, top to bottom, dark to light tone. It will look like leaves are there. very simple. What I was talking about, you're confident, believe in yourself that you are an artist. Whatever you are going to do, that is unique. You are genius. You are unique. Never underestimate yourself. Okay, now coconut tree is ready. In the bottom part I am going for some grasses, simple lines looking like grasses, and almost it is ready. And in the middle, let me go for one boat. One man is there. With long stick, its shadow. Over. Very simple. Did it. Now trying to do some birds pics. They are flying. Okay, this is all about. And but outside two lines are there. I am going to fill them. You can see here. And now it is ready. You can see here, beautiful, very easy step. Don't you think you could do this your own? Very easy and simple ways to make a landscape, a sunset scene, or you could say night evening scene. Thank you. I'm giving my signature here. Rasraj. Okay, thank you very much. Now it's your turn. Make a drawing, a landscape, and comment. Let me know your work. Thank you very much. Catch you with another video very shortly. Till then, take care. Bye bye.